Some shit here, put him in my pocket.
Hold on, don't come down here.
Put him in my shirt. Oh. Ray-Bans.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In late 2021, Constables Traylor Harris, Banks, and Holman were serving an eviction notice in Tyler County, Texas. While serving the eviction, they found paraphernalia and called the Tyler police to take over the investigation.
Put this in the back of your truck. On the back of your truck? I've been down. Hey, open your, open, I need to go in your car for a minute.
Huh?
I need to go in your car for a minute.
Yeah, I think it's on.
Come on. I need to put some in there. I need to put some in there.
What's that?
I gotta put some in there.
It's okay.
I'm good.
What you got?
Some shit here, put in my pocket.
Oh.
I can leave it because
Just sit in the driver's seat. Sit in the driver's seat and take it.
Okay.
I'm trying to call that.
With the residence cleared, and before Tyler police were able to arrive on scene, the three constables began rummaging through and stealing items from the home before allowing the moving crew inside to remove the property. Chief Banks accidentally activated her body cam and catches most of the theft on video.
Hold on. Hold on, don't come down here.
Put it.
No, you just bring that. That other one's empty. Oh, this one right here? Yeah.
Let me see.
That shit. Please.
Okay. This. Put him in my shirt. Hold on. Hey, Gamble. Hold on. Give me a minute.
Hold on.
Oh, we got some cocaine.
Oh!
Yeah, everything here. So,
This can go in here. We set that box right. We set that on that dresser.
what's this?
A box. Hold on. Give me a second. You got this bong. Hold on. Hold on. I didn't get to check them. Huh?
Oh, you got to be shitting.
Oh, no, it's a whole bunch in the other bag, too. So we can roll this out.
It's cocaine in that box.
We're missing a small handgun. I can tell you that now.
You probably got it with
I found some bullets. It was the bullets on top of that. I didn't go through them. Shit.
Yeah, he probably got
Okay.
it with him.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let me take this.
Let me go back to here a little bit.
Okay. But they had, these are pills. Hold on. I know it's in here. It'll be an easy reach. What is this? A cell phone or something? Scale? Oh, shoot. Calculator. It's a cell phone charger. Just, hold on, wait. What is this? Some
clip it.
Some gun.
A string gun, maybe.
Go for it.
Let me see. No, it's a clip.
To a gun.
Yeah, it's a Ruger.
Okay, this is some more bullets. Yeah, sheriff's office. Some more money.
Too fat of it.
Hold on a minute.
I need to talk to the chief. I have the lawyer on the phone.
What's your name?
Hold on. Yeah. Okay. I put all that in Derek's car.
Okay.
There's some more.
I'm gonna put with a gallon of weed, cocaine.
They want when they can come in and start moving.
Nothing when we done.
He's like, "Oh, can y'all stay?"
Oh,
I was like,
we stay for 2 hours.
I told her, I said, we'll stay the 2 hours. I said the 2 hours, I guess, will start whenever they come in to move.
Yeah. This stuff is
That's her purse. Look in it. Probably got some dope.
Why they leave all this stuff here?
Cause we told him to get out. That's still a girl purse.
Oh, okay.
What Derek get?
He went upstairs to check some stuff.
Let me check, cause there was a room I didn't check. I don't have a flashlight. Cause there was one. You good?
Yeah.
We checked these drawers. We checked these drawers. Yeah, so we got 2 hours. Y'all check these out. Oh shit. Oh, it's GNC. Damn. Thought I hit some pills. Empty. Huh? Yeah. Yep. But it was a dark spot over there. Who was at that door? Oh, she got her lawyer in here. But she kept trying to go to the kitchen. When did they stash some? Oh, they good on. No, they just had care groups. I wanna check that damn room. The one that's upstairs. Derek, you upstairs? Let me buy you. Cause it's the room that was dark. What you find? Let me see what he. Yeah, it was a room I want to check. It was dark. That's the pistol. Okay. Where Derek? Down or up? Derek. 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 Oh, you got it. What is it? This is shit I bought last night. Pissed off. I beg her. Sure would hate to sanitize it. You still in here? You found something else? I need some Oakley glasses. Like they got everything in a good spot. Hide it. This ain't like the daughter's room. Or, what you see? Yeah, I seen that one on there. The Oakleys though, they was and everything.
Now, are they allowed to keep anything of value?
Who?
Them.
Long as it's who? The constable?
Not the company.
They can't nobody touch nothing while they put it on the street.
Okay.
Is what I believe. So they can start doing that and we can start, ooh. Okay. What's in this? Hell yeah. This shit ain't even been used. Yeah, once they start moving on the curb, they can just fuck is that? Hold on. Oh. So I'll bring up the gloves. Blankets. Okay. I checked the up. What's in here? Okay. Was looking at this one. I got hot.
Yeah, it's hot too.
Oh, this is neat. Yeah, I think this was a, yeah. It's only what? What's all this? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Ray-Bans. Okay. Hold up. What's in here? Hold on, let me put this right there. How I? Hold on. Ray-Bans. Clean it out. Yeah. Let me check the bottom. Alright, games. I think somebody went through this one.
A bunch of phones.
A bunch of these too. But shit. Those ain't in there. These are though. Yeah. They can start coming in so our 2 hours can start. Shit.
Look at him, come on in.
Alright. We done got hot. They can come in. Ooh, yeah. It's hot.
Y'all ain't want me to go rest? Need to go sit down and rest a little
Oh,
bit?
yeah, I need to go sit down and rest.
Yeah, go sit down and rest.
We got a little fat over there. Trying to find the pocket. You see that gun he found? He found a pistol.
Where is it
Outside.
The kitchen, they got a bunch of vitamins and stuff, and nothing illegal.
at? They got to start.
Yeah, they got to start.
Let them start this stuff out.
All right, y'all come on.
The fuck is my... How do I get in this damn pocket?
But you're really supposed to be out.
Yeah.
Like, move.
If
this is the thing you need to get.
It's just the cat.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, he ran under that first chair.
Thank you. Thank you.
But they coming in, so I guess get them out. They can wait in their car.
The tenant filed a theft report a few months later. 4 watches, a partial box of .22 caliber ammunition, Apple AirPods, iPhones, MacBooks, shoes, perfume, jewelry, Oakley and Ray-Ban sunglasses, makeup, and a safe containing antique coins, military medals, a diploma, a birth certificate, and a social security card were reported missing, plus another $750 in cash. The Texas Rangers eventually arrested Constables Traylor Harris, Chief Deputy LaQuenda Banks, and Sergeant Derek Holman on charges of abuse of official capacity, official oppression, and property theft. Bond was initially set at $1 million, and all 3 had their peace officer licenses suspended. Traylor Harris, however, remained in office pending a civil lawsuit filed in June to remove him from duty, and in July, a judge finally found in favor of the state and temporarily suspended him as a constable.
Constable for Smith County's 1st precinct has been suspended from his office.
What the state is requesting today is a temporary suspension, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Traylor Harris and 2 deputies were arrested last fall and charged with theft and official oppression.
I will sign an order suspending Constable Traylor Harris, Precinct 1, Smith County. I believe it will be a temporary suspension pending a final removal, either based on this cause of action or as a result of a felony cases being convicted.
Curtis Traylor Harris was released from jail on the 23rd of September after spending 4 months locked up. He is scheduled for a jury trial on 2 criminal charges on October 17th, and one of the most ridiculous portions of this is that he recently filed a motion to lift his suspension from office. These are not only law enforcement officers. Constables are elected officials. This is about the absolute lowest you can go. Taxes, pay their salaries, and the state grants them powers to enter their constituents' homes, in most cases during the worst part of their life, and they use this authority to steal from the people they serve. It will likely take some time for these lawsuits to finish up, and for the criminal trials to complete, but as news of this comes out, I will be sure to keep you up to date. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.